for being with me. We're going to prioritize Pacificon first. Pacificon QRZ for parachute
Oh,
mobile.
I am recording. Okay, good.
Right base 30, Byron.
KO6JJX from parachute mobile. Everybody stand by. We're working with Pacificon first. QRZ for Pacificon.
Video in and out. No APRS. Winds
Tango
north at
Sierra,
11.
Tango Sierra Foxtrot, loud and clear.
I hope you could hear that.
Charlie Victor Delta, loud and clear. Thank you. QRZ. Alpha 86, Kilo Go. Gotcha. QRZ for parachute mobile.
Hey, you got on the big screen.
Just to let the ground crew know that winds aloft are still high, making very little penetration to the north. QRZ for parachute mobile.
Winds
All stations stand by.
north at 12.
LBA, loud and clear. QRZ. Fighting some QRM up here. QRM. Unfortunately, there's always got to be one. QRZ for parachute mobile. Parachute mobile.
Winds north at 12.
Winds north at 12. Thanks. KS6. All right, everybody. Thanks for helping us out. Anybody that got a contact other than Pacificon, please email me at skydivingamps@gmail.com. See you on the ground. KC6TYD.